Deputation to the district magistrate and collector, Motha district, and we are going to hold a public rally where around 10,000 participants from our warriors, Tipra Motha warriors, are joining the public rally, and within few minutes, or within few times, all our leaders and our warriors are joining in this program. We have only one point chapter of demand. There is election to village development committee, which should be held immediately, because if it is not held, we the people who are living in ADC area are being deprived of what is really being given by the 15th Finance Commission. That's why today we are going to be, as per the directives of our central Tipra Motha, on 17th, like all other places in the whole of Tipra, we also in the community district, we are going to give deputation at exactly 12 o'clock. Thank you.
So how many demand?
Only one demand. We have only one demand, that is election to village development committee.